Welcome back to another episode of DIY Do It Yourself. It's another episode to learn how to do a quick and beautiful edge wrap by yourself. A gele or edge wrap that you can tie anywhere, either your church, your party, anywhere. So watch the video to the end and see how I achieve this one. So I have folded the gele into two equal parts, then I use my rubber band to achieve that front. Watch the video so that you can understand in case you are not getting my explanation very well. So after that, I place it on my head the way it is being done and seen in the video. Then the excess at the back, I'll use that my rubber band to hold it down so that it gets secured. So that is what I'm doing right there. So I don't want to hear I don't know how to tie gele myself. That is why I'm not buying your gele for your party. So DIY is here. Do it with me now. So that is what we are doing here. So the front I achieved, you can see it is in two parts. So the first one I just turn it like round, make a round thing, then I pin it at the back here to get it secured. That is quite simple, and in less than 2-3 minutes you are done with it. So here's the second part of it, and look at how it is. What am I going to do to that place to make it firm and stand? So very simple. I'll just get my pin and I will be using my pin to secure it there. So I observe one thing after I have finished this video, that okay, the pin that I used to secure that edge, they are showing. So make sure that when you are doing your own, you try as much as possible to let the pin get hidden at least as much as you can. So don't make my mistakes, learn from my mistake. So that's that. This one didn't really show in this part, but this other side, the pin, I think it's come out a bit. So be watchful when you are using your pin there. So you use your pin to secure the two sides. You can see that side that the pin comes out. So I wouldn't want such to happen again. So we are done actually. So you just pull the up, you just pull it up to give you that look. So it's really awesome and beautiful, right? So this is the end of it. This is how we have achieved it. You can see that it's very fast, and you can wear this to anywhere. Name it now. Is a housewarming, naming ceremony, anywhere your hair is dancing, after head wrap we put that, and it looks out good, you just put that dance to join. So we are done, guys. If you didn't get it, watch it again so that at least you understand how I achieve it. It's quite simple actually. So if you don't understand, just watch and you will get it one time. Very easy. So I am done. If you have not subscribed to this channel, click the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. Bye.